Okay, welcome back to another video. Recently I just bought a new kit off eBay. It's a 1 watt PLL FM transmitter, 88 to 108 megahertz. So here it is, come the other day, £45. Tiny little driver board on there. So let's build it up and see how we get on. So first of all, it's probably a good idea. Let's get it all out and identify all our parts. See what we got in here. Get them all sorted. Make it a lot easier to build. Let's get rid of that. There's our circuit board. We've got some output transistor there, which is a 2N4427. Pretty common transistor in FM radio gear. We've got a couple of chips there, and one is a programmed chip there because it's got a T in front. Okay, a heat sink and a bundle of parts to sort through. So let's do that. All them sorted out. It's time to grab our paperwork. So we have that one there, just where everything goes. Got a picture of the board there, with all the numbers on there, and again there. So let's give it a go, see how we get on. Okay, so I found where all the resistors go. It's a bit difficult, so I had to get the old resistor chart up on the old phone because the picture was not very clear. Yeah, we just got a bit of a mess under there now. We got to solder all that up, and yeah, resistors done. Hopefully, let's get it soldered. Okay, so the resistors are done, all soldered up, all trimmed up on the back. I think now we're starting the capacitors, which there is quite a few of, a few different types as well. So, fit most of our capacitors now, all looks good. Just need to solder them up, of course, and trim them up, then we'll fit our other capacitors. Yeah, good stuff. Right, so all our capacitors are now done. See there? Soldering is all done on the back, trimmed up. I might tidy up a little bit more. Bits on there. Okay, now for our transistors and our IC chips. Right, on with our last transistor now. It's over here. we've got our holders on for the IC chips. Okay, I think we just fit our RF coils now. Right, so I've just fitted the RF coils, one there, and also an RF choke there. That should stop any interference. Okay, we'll solder that nice and clean. Down to the last few bits. So now just a Toco coil and a little trimmer there, heatsink for our transistor and 2 buttons, a bit of tuning buttons, and 2 ICs which are ready to go straight in there, and that is it, we're finished. Right, so now it's built, next thing is to put it up to a power supply, connect an aerial and see if it works. Right, so before I do put an aerial on there and the power lead, I've got these little legs here I found. They're not part of the kit, but I thought they'd be quite handy. So I'm just going to fit them and we'll connect up the wires. Okay, so let's get some power cable on there. Got some red wire here, so we'll cut a strip of that off, and that will go to right there. It says plus 15. There we go. Okay, so I've now connected up our aerial cable. Aerial will go in there, well, dummy load, and our voltage supply wires. And audio. There is one more wire to go on for the audio. Okay, so we're ready to be switched on now. And we're all connected up to a power meter, it goes into a dummy load. Got a frequency counter to tell us what frequency it's on. And we're all wired up to the power supply, just haven't connected up the audio wire as yet. So, switching on. With a green flashing LED there. Oh yeah, it is working. 87.7, no powers yet, so I think I need to do a bit of tuning on there. Okay, so our tuning buttons are working. You can see I'm pushing the up button and our frequency's going up, 92, 93, very good. So we'll get it to our frequency 102 and we'll tune it up from there. Okay, with a slight tune from this little coil here, and there's a tiny little turn. See the power's gone straight up on there, 102, and on our power meter you can see it's just pointing out underneath a watt at the minute, but yeah, we're only on 12 volts and it does take 15, so 15 volts, so yeah, I'd say that'd be bang on 1 watt output. Not bad. And of course we've got our green LED saying we're locked on frequency. Perfect. Okay, so we've now got our audio all connected up, we're powered on, green lights on, so all good. So I've all wired up to my laptop now for the audio. So let's push play on here, should hear something. Okay, brilliant, so it works. So that'd be a good little driver board for an amplifier. But for me, it's as far as it goes. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you again.